Hello, welcome to this video where I would like to show you how to make your custom biofeedback procedure inside the eSense app. First, when you watch this video on YouTube, please set your resolution to full HD so that you can read all the small font and text here we have and watch the video in best possible quality. I would like to show you how to make a custom procedure. For this case, I have mirrored my Android tablet here to my computer, the Samsung Tab A, which is a nice device we also often recommend for beginners. On the right side, you see my computer, my Windows Explorer, and some custom videos I've put in here into some folders, some screenshots, some images, some videos, and some music. So I would also like to show you how to add your custom media to your procedure. But at first, let's start the eSense app on the tablet and have a look. Well, this is the brand new version here, which incorporates the cloud functions. You see, when you start the app, you can log in with your account and you can register an account. There is another video explaining the new cloud functions and also the new web app and web dashboard we have. But in this video, I don't want to use that. I also want to say again that these cloud functions they are completely optional. We do not want to force anybody to use it. So you can just use the eSense app without account, without registration, without providing any of your data, completely anonymous and locally on your phone, just by tapping on the bottom here, continue without account. And that's what also we are doing now. Although there are some benefits you have with an account, with a plan, also for the custom procedures, because then you have the possibility to share them with other users, with user groups, form user groups, create some specific biofeedback training content for a specific group of users. We will explain that in other videos and in the manual and on the website how to do that. And now here I just want to show you the basics of custom procedures. How procedures work, how you make them, and how you let them run. We will make a small demo procedure and let them run. So I tap on continue without account, and I come to the first screen of the logos where you can choose the eSense you have. The procedure of creating a custom procedure is quite similar for every eSense. So I will do this example here in the video with the eSense skin response, but it works the same way also with eSense temperature, pulse, and respiration, whatever you have. So let's go to eSense skin response section of the app by just tapping on the logo. And then there is the decision to make if you want to go to the procedures or do an open training. So in this case, of course, we would like to go to the procedures, and we will see the list of local procedures here on the device. If you would have registered an account, then there is an extra tab at the top where you see also cloud procedures and where you can download some other procedures other users have shared with the community or we create for you. And so there are some extra stuff. But now just go with the local procedures. These are included in the app when you download them from the App Store. Okay, so here we have 4 procedures to do, and you can just start them by tapping on the play button there, or you can swipe them to the left, and you can duplicate them if you would like to edit them, because the included procedures, they are locked with a password, but of course you can change them by just making a duplicate by tapping on this green button here. You could delete them, and but to make a new procedure, you have to tap on this upper right plus button here. But before this, and we start creating a new procedure, we first would like to bring some media on our Android device here. So it's also connected with a USB cable to my computer, and when you do that, it will instantly pop up um, as like a hard disk, as a device you can see in your PC, your computer here, my computer, I think it's called in English. And yeah, when we do that, we see the list of disks, of drives, and here is the tablet, and there are some folders. They are called movies and music and pictures. And these three we need here to put some media on it by just copying your media, your movie files, your pictures, your music to your tablet. So on the tablet, I go I go here again to the main screen, and I open this folders here, my files, and then there's images, videos, and audio. And there's not really anything here on this new device, this demo tablet. So let's first start by putting some pictures, these two here, I copy them and put them here in this pictures folder here, right here. And so when they are copied, I just here need to refresh. And here you see there are these two pictures. Yeah. So we have them now here in the My Files, and we can use them in the eSense app. We do the same with some music. I just have some two MP3 files, some songs. If you would like to use music, it's always recommended to use MP3 because nearly every device can play that. For videos, it's good to have MP4, and for images, it's good to have JPEGs because sometimes if you have some very specific file format, then maybe they are not able to be played on your device. So if you want to make sure that you have no problems with your files, with your custom medium, just make sure that you always use JPEG files for video, for images, MP3 for music and audio, and MP4 for videos. So I copied these two music files here in the music folder. And then we have the movies folder. Let's quickly look at in the audio folder. Here we have the music too. There they are. And if we go into the movies, let's now copy the movies. Here we have beach and we have thunder, and I will copy them again here in the tablet into the movies folder. Okay, here they are, and on the tablet they should also appear. There we have them. Yeah, there they are. Okay, so we have these files now copied into these pictures, movies, and audio music folder, and then they are instantly available on the device. You can watch them also here by just tapping on them on this, but we want to use them now inside the eSense app. Okay, so this is how you copy them directly via USB cable. Of course, there are many other options to bring your media to the device. You can use Dropbox, you can use Google Drive, Microsoft Cloud, all these options if you want to if you have that by putting your media in your cloud and downloading them with the app, like the Dropbox app on your smartphone or tablet. That's another way you can do that. If you prefer that, no problem. Okay, so now let's go back to the eSense app. And before we now another thing before we start the procedure, I will show you another way for media to get some custom media. We also have in the settings, which is this little icon here at the bottom, we have in-app purchases, and we have some more music and more videos for you, and they are around $5 each, one time fee. So if you would like to buy them, I can do this now as a test. This is a beta version of the app, the new. I can quickly do this. And here you see there's the list of some additional music we have created here and licensed for you. Some meditations, some nice nature sounds. And if then you can just tap on this download arrow here and it starts downloading, and when it's gray like that, then you have them on your device as well. So yeah, we can do that quickly here with some other songs. And for videos, the same. It's around $5 plus tax, I think. It differs a bit from country to country. And then we can look at the more videos. And here there are these numbers of videos. Also, the beach, I think, is what I've taken from here, beach 1, and thunder also taken from my computer now. But if you don't want to copy some extra media, you can just try this out. If you like to buy that, you can use that as well. But if you just want to use your own media, no problem. And let's go back to the list of procedures here now and start creating a procedure by tapping on the plus button here. So now there's the new procedure. We first have to give it a name. I'll write test here, okay. And yeah, then we need to add a module to procedure by tapping here on this plus or here on this plus. Both works. And then we have many different types of modules. So procedure consists of modules, and you can use as many modules as you want. And as a module, you can have a text, you can have a fixation cross, you can have an image file, a video file, an audio file, an arrow, a bar graph, smart bulb, oscilloscope, breath pacer, and our biofeedback snake game. For each module, you can define the length and the position in the procedure. So you can create really nice biofeedback training experience, because all the time the procedure is running, of course, your eSense is working and recording your data, and most of these, I think all of these, besides the text module, all of these are reacting to your values. Yeah, all these modules are reacting. In the oscilloscope, you see the curve of your data, of your skin response here, for example. Let's start with an image file here as a first module. You see that there are also some feedback images included you can choose from, but here's also the possibility to go for a custom image, and then we see these files here, and I now have to go to the images folder and into the pictures, and here we have these two we just copied onto the device. Yeah, okay, so here we are, and now there's also some fade in and fade out you can define. And for this image, it's just shown, so there's no biofeedback functionality for images as well, but for the others like audio and video there is some functionality. We set the duration to 10 seconds here and tap on the check mark here at the bottom, at the top, sorry. So then we have added this image file with 10 seconds of length. Okay, now let's go for another module. So we tap again here on the plus, and now this time let's choose a video file. Again, here we have some videos included, like for example this one, and here you can choose some other from the list. And for example, the C and the carousel are two videos I downloaded from the in-app purchases, so I can also choose them here and see them immediately here. For example, this video. And now let's go for custom video, and then again we will see the files and folders of the device, and here we have the two videos I copied. So, and then let's choose beach, for example, here. by tapping on it. And now we can also play this and have a short preview of that. And here you can see that there is no feedback for this video type, for this video feedback type chosen. That means that the video is just playing and is not affected at all by your measured values. So if we, for example, choose video start stop or video blur, we can influence the video by start stop means that if the values for this example here is running when the values are decreasing because the lower skin response is better, and it is stopping when your values are increasing. So when you have more stress, your values increase, the video stops as a negative feedback. When you are a little more relaxed, your values are dropping, the video is starting and running. With blur and brightness and saturation, you can define a range in between. The video is more blur or more sharp or more bright or dark according to your biofeedback values, to your measured values. Check the menu if you want to know more about that. Okay, so now we also change the module duration here to 10 seconds and accept that. So now we have an image file and a video file. Let's add a third module here with a plus again. And this time let's use an audio file. And again, here we tap on choose music, and here we have the music files that are included within the app. And here at the top you see custom sound, and here we have 3 files on the device. Let's go for brighter days here and select that, and we can also preview that here. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, this is the song we have. I just took my tablet and brought it a bit closer to the microphone. So now let's also change the duration here to 10 seconds and check, tap on the check mark. So now we have 3 modules, 10 seconds each. And if you want to change the order, you can tap on these small arrows here, for example. You can change the order of the modules. If you want to edit a module, you swipe it to the left, and then you tap here on the pen, or you can also delete it, of course. So, but now for this, let's go here for the final check. Okay, so now we have a test procedure with 3 modules, 30 seconds, and let me quickly connect myself with the eSense skin response sensor so that we get real values here. Just put that to my fingers, and then I press play here to run the procedure. So now it's starting, and here you see the countdown, or the up, it's counting up. Here it's counting down, and this is the image. Here we have the custom video we inserted as a 10 seconds video file module. And now as third, you will have the song, and you cannot hear that at the moment, but it's playing here from my tablet. And yeah, now that's finished. I tap here. This is the survey where you can choose, okay, I'm sitting now, I'm using this type of electrodes, I'm feeling nice. Okay, and then here is the result of my curve. So you can see here initially rising and then dropping a little bit. And with the colored background, you can see here, this is the image, this is the video, and this is the audio file. And in total, we have this 30 seconds here. Yeah, this is a nice way to look at the procedure you've done. You can always get that look back again in the archive. Okay. Okay. So now we have created our first custom procedure. And for example, if you would like to edit an existing procedure, let's quickly do that and have a look at the skin response basics procedure. I swipe it here and I make a duplicate, so then I get a copy here, and that copy I can now swipe and edit with by tapping here on the pen, and the copy you do with the green one. And now you see that this procedure consists of a lot of image files. All these image files are instructions or have some instruction text on it. So we have 20, 30 seconds long. Then we have an oscilloscope, 3-minute oscilloscope. Again, some images. Then we have our biofeedback snake game. We have a video feedback and some more images. Okay, so this is a nice procedure. And how did we do that? Well, we used PowerPoint for creating these image files. And this is something I would highly recommend to you. If you want to do a professional procedure, you could either go for the text module you have, but this is just a simple plain text. So if you really want to do something more nice, you can use PowerPoint, and I'll show you quickly how that could look like by opening the skin response template here in PowerPoint. So this is the basics procedure here, and the images we created where we can easily edit some text here, put some text, put some background, put some logos, put some images, screenshots like here, or whatever you want. So if you want to do a professional procedure, it's a good idea to create your create it in PowerPoint, and then you just make one reminder here. Okay, here should be a 3-minute oscilloscope with breath pacer, 6 breaths per minute. So then you know, okay, after that image, this is the 8th module. We insert the oscilloscope module. Okay, and how do we get these images now out of this PowerPoint presentation? Just by clicking on File and then Save As, and then instead of using the PowerPoint presentation file format, you can use JPEG here and then save it. And then you are asked if you want to save all single sheets or just this one. And yeah, there you go. And this is how I saved the files here for, sorry, here we are. Here, this one, JPEG file saved from this PowerPoint presentation. And that's what we inserted here in our custom procedure. So this is a good way to do that. And yeah, then you can make nice procedures. And this is it for this first demonstration with new cloud functions. There are options to share your custom procedures with specific users or a group of users. So we have much more new possibilities to create training situations, to create online group training courses where a group of people owning an eSense spread over the world can do the same nice procedure, which you can create and share. And we will also continue to create nice new training procedures, and we will share them with the community we are now building up with the new cloud possibilities. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will now go and create some of your own custom procedures or edit the existing procedures by changing something like the breath pacer to suit your needs. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.